Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin immediately on clean, slightly damp hair so roots grab. Combine natural sectioning with clear intent. Separate by hand into rough chunks where strands naturally clump. Once you have sections, start palm rolling each one from root to tip, applying steady pressure and rotating your hands to form cylindrical ropes. This creates the core structure fast. Make sure to focus on the root for secure formation, and repeat passes until each section feels tighter. This sets the freeform process in motion. You continue by adding texture where sections are thin. Backcomb mid-lengths toward the root to increase bulk and encourage faster matting. Use a fine tail comb or your fingers to tease hair into denser fibers. Once teased, interlock roots by hooking strands through each other in opposing directions to create secure anchor points. Once done, alternate palm rolling and gentle finger twisting along the shaft to promote uniform locks. Make sure to inspect each piece and reinforce any loose roots so the middle stage progresses efficiently. You finish by ensuring everything dries fully. Use low heat or air dry to avoid excessive frizz, and optionally seal problem areas with a light dread wax sparingly. Once dry, tidy tips by trimming stray hairs and reinforce roots with another round of palm rolling to lock shape. If a section stays loose, re-backcomb that piece and interlock its root again immediately. If frizz appears, apply a tiny wax amount and reshape. Make sure to keep regular short maintenance sessions until locks mature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.